We kept breaking new records after new record. Not just in Peru, not just in Bolivia, not just in Mexico, throughout the world. Now, even because of the rapid growth of sales in the last 2 years, many countries even experienced a shortage of products, including Peru. But we always tell our people, in the last 2 years, we also invested into expanding our factory in Malaysia, expanded our facilities in China, huge, big 300 pounds of spirulina ponds we have in China. Even the Chinese products are sold around the world right now. They also expanded our facilities in India. India has many factories of DX. There is one factory that was built in the last 2 years. Largest factory for DXN in the world. Last 2 years, we commenced and we are in the process of finishing our facilities in Dubai. Last 2 years, we finished our construction and started the production of our new factory in May. Very soon, the factory is going to produce for the Latin American and North American markets as well. Very soon, we are going to set up the production in Peru also. Very soon, also going to establish our production in Bolivia. This is what I mean by being a real company.